Hey everyone, today we're going to show you how to duplicate a project in Asana. So this is super handy if you want to use a workflow or set up similar projects without starting from scratch. So first, you simply have to open the project that you want to duplicate. And in the top right corner, you can then click the drop-down menu. From there, simply select Duplicate Project. You'll then be able to see a pop-up where you can then choose what to copy, tasks, assignees, due dates, attachments, and more. So simply pick what you need and then give your new project a name. Finally, you can then tap Create New Project. So your new project will then appear in your workspace with all the selected elements duplicated. So you can actually jump straight into working on it without rebuilding anything. And that's it. So that's literally how to duplicate a project on Asana. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.